So we're going to wind down here. Shortly we'll make a hard right. We'll go over to a little rock crawl over here.
Cool, rocks sound fun.
Jeep Jamboree and Jeep Adventure Academy is the world's largest Jeep adventure company, guiding over 12,000 consumers into some of the most remote destinations. Great communication is key to a successful off-road adventure. One of the great things about Midland and the compatibility of the units is you can have a mobile unit inside the vehicle and these small handheld units. It's great for guiding.
We've got a really good range. We can get way out in front of them and just have a great ability to communicate what might be up ahead.
All right, Sean, looking good. A little more driver. Looking good. You're going to want a little momentum to carry it up this hill. And then it's going to veer off to the passenger side.
Awesome, thank you for the help.
Go ahead and just put the passenger tire on the large one sticking up here. Just drop in easy to this hole on the driver. All right, guys, let's go ahead and hold up here, figure out where we're heading next.
So we've had the good fortune to install and use the new MXT 575 unit from Midland. One of the great things we like about these is the antennas. This is what they come with, this little antenna mount, which gives great coverage, no tuning necessary. What's unique about the 575 unit is that all of the controls are in the handheld like this. You can take this up. What we do when we're not using it, we just stick it in our console like this. We're not using it, and then we hit the trails. We take it out, a quick plug in here, and then you actually turn it on like that. Super simple. For more information about Midland Radio, or if you're interested in installing a Midland product in your vehicle, contact the Jeep Jamboree representative today.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea, thank you.